Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. I am a proud mom of 4 at my 20s and I'm able single mother. Ti miario yakwa ni miario ya muini wa ndiokire guku thina mahitia Ruth wa mamu, miario arekererio riri nyumba ya ex-husband wake yakanite mwaki. Ruth wa mamu nionanitie ati gutunywo muthuri kana muthuri gugute ti kuga ati Ngai ari matuine ndagakurathima. Erite fans ake thegio marito marema agereire muturire-ini wake kuri kaundu kamwe ataka regret tondu thutha mutheri ni ahotete kuhe ciana ciake irio. Ruth wa mamu ni agukoretwo agitariria uria maurito make mugumeire thutha wa matino wa Janet kumute na agikorwo akihikia best friend yake kana murata wake, na hau agikorwo akigwa moko-ini ma muthuri wene uria wamuhirire ihu ria twana tutu twake twiri. No thutha ucio mundurume ucio agiuka kumute akiuga many people talk about kids like it's a bad thing. You want to know what true love is? Have some. I'm a blessed mom of 4 at my 20s and I'm able single mom. Ruth akionekana gwitikira ati wendo munene eyoneire muturire-ini wake ni kuma kuri twana twake, na mundu onekana gwitikirania na miario iyo ya Ruth wa mamu ni mutumia wa mbere wa muini muigai wa Njoroge Njeri wa Muigai uria waikia bisha ino ya ciana ciake inya iria agite na ex-husband wake Muigai wa Njoroge, akiandikana kuga, today my prayers goes to those who are seeking God for a blessing of a baby. When I remember the joy and happiness the kids bring into one's life, I believe that everybody deserves to have their own. Thanks to God for this blessing. Njeri onake akiuga she's a proud mom of 4. Miario ta iria Ruth wa mamu aritie. Fans makiuga ati tikuga ati kihiko gigi kurega kana muthuri agute na ahike mutumia ungi Ngai ndagakurathima na njira ciake. Violet Karanja akiuga I love single mom. They do everything best to see their kids smile rather than being married, yet you watch yourself and your kids suffering. Magi akiuga amen. I'm a mother of 4 and yesterday I couldn't hold my tears realizing it only takes the hand of God. May God remember all those mothers praying for a child. Ndeto-Ini derithia makiria da share toria ciaginyira. Make sure na turn on your notification na wa subscribe agikorwo wiroragira video citu na do subscribe ite tucemanie na wa next one.